Preparing for a comprehensive exam can feel overwhelming. You're not just studying for one test, you're reviewing everything. But the good news is, with the right strategy, you can prepare effectively without burning out. In this video, I will walk you through practical, proven steps to help you prepare for a comprehensive exam with confidence and clarity. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the exam expectations. Before you open a single book, stop and ask, what exactly is being tested? Review your department's guidelines carefully. Look at exam format, writing, oral, or both. Subjects, area, required reading, time limits, and grading criteria. If possible, talk to faculty members, advisors, students who already passed. Knowing what you prepared for saves time and reduces anxiety. Step 2. Organize your study materials. Once you know the scope, gather everything in one place. Reading lists, lecture notes, key textbooks, past exam questions. Then break the material into manageable sections. Instead of thinking, I have to study everything, think, today I'm focusing on this topic only. Organization is the foundation of effective studying. Step 3. Create a realistic study plan. Cramming does not work for comprehensive exams. Create a study schedule that spans several weeks or months. Include daily goals, balances reading, review, and practice. Most importantly, build in breaks. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 4. Focus on concepts. Comprehensive exams test understanding, not just recall. As you study, identify key theories, themes, and debates. Compare authors and perspective. Ask why and how, not just what. Try explaining concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone else. If you can explain it simply, you understand it deeply. Step 5. Practice writing and speaking. Many comprehensive exams require you to write long, structured answers, define ideas verbally. Practice by writing time essays, outlining answers to potential questions, doing mock oral exams with peers. This builds confidence and improves clarity under pressure. Step 6. Study actively and collaboratively. Studying alone is important, but don't isolate yourself. Join or form a study group where you can discuss difficult concepts, quiz each other, share insights and resources. Active discussion often reveals gaps you did not know you had. Step 7. Take care of yourself. Your brain is part of your body. Treat it that way. Make sure you get enough sleep, eat regularly, exercise, even lightly. Take mental health breaks. Burnout won't help you pass. Balance well. Now, my final thoughts is preparing for a comprehensive exams is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay organized, stay consistent, trust the process, and trust yourself. You've already came this far. This exam is just the next step. You got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share it with someone else who's preparing for the same exam. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your exams.